What is going on, people? Welcome back to another crypto episode, and today we're talking about Cosmos, and I'm going to explain exactly what this project is in the next 5 minutes in plain, simple English so everyone can understand. So if that sounds good, then let's jump straight into it. Cosmos is a network that aims to connect different blockchains together. You see, most blockchains in the crypto space operate independently from one another and can only communicate on their own blockchain. Cosmos aims to eliminate this issue by allowing all different blockchains to connect to the Cosmos network and interact with one another in a decentralized way.
NANI?!
So for example, projects such as Bitcoin and Ethereum will only act on their own chain and have no way of interacting with each other. With Cosmos, this is no longer an issue. They can both connect to the Cosmos network and begin communicating with each other. Cosmos is often referred to as the Internet of Blockchains because it connects everything together. And it's not only made possible for existing blockchains like Bitcoin or Ethereum, etc., but also newer blockchains, especially blockchains that are created using the products and services on the Cosmos network. Now, the three main products on the Cosmos network are Tendermint Consensus Core, the Cosmos SDK, and Interblockchain Communications, also known as IBC. We're going to go through all three of them because they sound way more complicated than they actually are.
Toasty!
So if we begin with the Tendermint Consensus Core, this is a ready-to-use engine that allows developers to create applications on Cosmos without worrying about the configuration of the network for that application. This means that all the functions necessary for transmitting transaction and data across the blockchain network are already done for you and pre-configured if you build on Cosmos. This allows developers to focus solely on creating good applications for its users. Now, moving on to the second product, the Cosmos SDK. This is a set of tools that can assist developers to create their own unique blockchains for their applications, and they can create these blockchains at a very rapid pace if they use Cosmos. The last product, the Interblockchain Communication, IBC, this allows blockchains to transfer information and data between one another and communicate with each other. It does this using zones and hubs. Zones are general blockchains like we discussed before, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or a new user-created blockchain, and hubs are sub-blockchains that connect all of the zones or main blockchains together. Cosmos also solves the scalability issue that has been plaguing old, outdated proof-of-work blockchains by allowing thousands of transactions to take place on its network every second. It does this using a proof-of-stake mechanism, which is a newer form of technology compared to the old, outdated proof-of-work mechanism. For reference, older blockchains that use a proof-of-work mechanism, such as Ethereum, can process around 30 transactions a second. Cosmos, using its new up-to-date proof-of-stake technology, can process thousands of transactions per second. Cosmos also solves the sovereignty issue in crypto application development. You see, usually when you create a crypto application on an existing blockchain, you have to submit a proposal to that blockchain community for approval. This can of course take a while to be approved and in some cases even get rejected. With Cosmos, if you build your own applications and blockchains on its network, you can govern them as you see fit. There is no need for approval. Now, the native token of Cosmos is Atom, and this is a staking and governance token, which means you can stake your Atom to support and secure the Cosmos network, and as a result, you can earn rewards in the form of additional Atom tokens. Now, by staking your Atom, you can also vote on proposals and upgrades to help determine the future of the Cosmos network. If we look at the pros and cons of Cosmos, and we'll begin with the pros. Number one, Cosmos is addressing a major issue in the crypto space, as it is allowing all these different blockchains to connect to the Cosmos network and thus connect to each other. Number two, It is an all-in-one product. We've listed all the 3 products that Cosmos uses, and they are essential for creating your own applications and blockchains and getting them up and running as soon as possible. Number 3, Cosmos is addressing the scalability issue by using a proof of stake mechanism rather than a proof of work mechanism like the old outdated blockchains. If we move on to the cons, number 1, Cosmos still has a way to go before it is globally adopted. Number 2, I have seen some people argue that Cosmos could be marketed better than what it currently is, but I'd say it's a bit of a stretch because the project does have a lot of value, and I'm sure over time, if it keeps all its promises and progresses the way it is, it will show its value to everyone in the crypto space. But what do you think of Cosmos? Are you invested in the project? Would you recommend it to your friends, family and work colleagues? And do you see a bright future for the Cosmos ecosystem? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, because we've got some life-changing content coming out. Press the videos on the screen if you want to further enhance your crypto education. And if you want to supercharge your education, check out our crypto course in the description down below. I'll speak to you guys in the next one. Take care. Peace.
NANI?!